the HyperX Cloud Alpha is an outstanding, reasonably priced gaming headset with the comfort and aesthetics to match its impressive feature set. Offering exceptional audio and microphone quality helps to ensure that multi-platform players have a champion. There are large shoes to fill for the HyperX Cloud Alpha of 2022. Its predecessor offered the level of comfort required for prolonged sessions, in addition to audio and microphone quality that enhanced your gaming experience. Fortunately, this year's Cloud Alpha does a good job of filling those voids. These headphones are among the top PC gaming headsets available, which should come as no surprise. The HyperX Cloud Alpha doesn't innovate itself all that much, of course. The 50mm chamber drivers, well-known black and red metal chassis, and broad frequency response range of 13Hz to 27,000Hz are all still present. There were other minor variations, like the detachable microphone's enhanced noise cancellation. The HyperX Cloud Alpha is well worth a look for anyone looking for a good gaming headset, compatible with a variety of platforms, especially at their asking price of $99. The Cloud Alpha blends a straightforward black and red appearance with an extraordinarily durable build, just like other headsets with which it shares its DNA, such as the Cloud Core and Cloud 2 wireless headsets. The aluminum frame that supports each ear cup, for example, feels exceptionally sturdy and tough. Even though it weighs only 336 grams and is quite comfortable, it can withstand any abuse. In fact, after being dropped and sat on, this headset still appears to be brand new. There are two color options for the HyperX Cloud Alpha. This more covered all-black model or the black-red accent we tested on the Cloud Alpha Wireless. The latter is obviously ideal if you want a gaming headset that isn't extremely flashy or dazzling with RGB illumination. This appearance's ease of detaching the microphone and using the 3.5mm socket to connect to your phone to listen when away from your computer is a significant plus. Additionally, the cords are set up to be convenient, with a short detachable cable that can be used to connect to a console controller, and an extension to separate two connections for usage on a PC. The size of the ear cups was the first feature of this headset that truly caught our attention. The ear cups on this Cloud Alpha are delightfully big and deep, and they comfortably fit over the ear. They also contain memory foam and soft leatherette padding, which is gentle on the ears and provides passive noise cancellation. The gripping force on the Cloud Alpha is also well balanced, so it neither holds too firmly, nor is it overly slack. All of this aids in sustaining the sound. You may adjust the location of the removable microphone thanks to its posable rod, and you can stow the microphone in the convenient bag that is provided if you want to use your Cloud Alpha as regular headphones or aren't participating in a multiplayer session. Console users will be happy to learn that the 3.5mm plug is as durable as the headsets themselves and fits snugly in a Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4/5, Xbox One Series X and S, or Nintendo Switch. The braided cord can withstand all yanks without breaking. An extension cable with both stereo and microphone ports is provided for PC gamers to use. There are built-in, user-friendly inline audio controls available. A rigid roller guarantees smooth volume adjustment. The microphone on-off switch's tiny grooves make it easy to rapidly silence your microphone. The Cloud Alpha supports virtual 7.1 surround sound right out of the gate, which does a terrific job of enhancing the immersiveness of games. The multi-platform capabilities of the headset provide some incredible experiences for many gaming genres. During heated firefights, playing the Crossfire X or Gears 5 campaign on an Xbox Series S offered a Hollywood-caliber soundtrack. Despite the headset's limitations with spatial audio, PlayStation 5 games like Sifu and Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart have excellent audio. Even the Switch versions of Bayonetta 2 and The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild deliver. To give your PC gaming audio some extra punch where it counts, use the THX or Dolby Atmos sound drivers from Razer. When playing Forza Horizon 5, there is a crazy adrenaline that is only made better by its auditory presentation, and the Cloud Alphas handle them with style. The same holds true for Halo Infinite on PC, as the sound enhances situational awareness during Team Slayer matches, while enhancing immersion during single player. Thanks to the superb microphone, communication during multiplayer sessions runs smoothly. This also applied to other programs like Zoom and Google Meet. The HyperX Cloud Alpha has received both TeamSpeak and Discord certifications, which makes sense. Dual chamber drivers were used in the appearance of both HyperX Cloud Alpha versions. That indicates that internal components of the headset are developed to lessen distortion and enhance the audio in games. However, the thing that surprised us was how loud they are. This headset has 50mm drivers, which provide incredibly powerful sound. With the help of the passive noise reduction provided by the thick leatherette ear cushions, either Cloud Alpha will meet your needs if you want to strap your headset on and dive into your game world. Additionally, we discovered that this headset provides decent bass and a pleasing sonic spectrum. Even though it is only a stereo headset and does not provide simulated surround sound without the aid of Dolby Atmos or Windows Sonic Sound, it is still a fantastic gaming headset. In terms of spatial sound on sophisticated games, we thought it was terrific for a variety of functions. When we used the Cloud Alpha to watch movies and listen to music, we also appreciated it. There's a lot to enjoy about this product, including the amazing sound, comfortable fit, and easy connecting. However, you may also mute the microphone using the wire, which is where volume control is controlled. The volume wheel is a little tricky to use, but it's simple to get to when you need it. It's all about the bass with this headset, that much is certain. For people who prefer loud modern pop and hip-hop, the Cloud Alpha is ideal. The headset can handle any bass-heavy song, whether it's Bobby Shmurda Shmoni with Rowdy Rebel and Quavo or Rosales reggaeton-inspired Sayoko. As the bass has a propensity to drown out treble and mid-tones, this could be an issue for listeners seeking a nuanced musical experience. It sounds a little flat to listen to more soulful songs like Lady Ray's I Do or Moonchild's You Got One with Alex Isley. You want a cheap headset since you play games on multiple platforms. The connected 3.5mm jack on the reasonably priced HyperX Cloud Alpha functions well with the PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. You require high-caliber audio and a microphone. The headset has excellent gaming performance, and the removable microphone makes conversation crystal clear. In the meantime, listening to music in general is enjoyable. You must have a sturdy, comfy body that can withstand some abuse. Long-lasting gaming sessions are ensured by the ear cup's breathability, and the lightweight aluminum chassis is developed to withstand mishaps. The Cloud Alpha's bass is quite powerful, which might be a problem for users who prefer a more even musical experience. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.